Right now, I'm standing on one of the strongest growth corridors of North Bangalore on National Highway 44, and right behind me is a very special project backed by a very reputed developer.
Let us first talk about the location, because in real estate, location is everything. This is a 10.1-acre land parcel with a massive 415-meter frontage directly on National Highway 44. In Bangalore, finding a project with this kind of National Highway frontage is almost impossible. You're literally stepping out onto the main arterial road that connects you straight to the airport and to the city. Welcome to Godrej Avalin, Yelahanka. Now let's talk about the accessibility. The upcoming Bangalore metro station on the Blue Line is just about 700 meters from here, connecting airport to central Bangalore. By the time this project is ready, the metro will be operational, giving you easy access to the city. This project is surrounded by a strong employment ecosystem and tech parks like Amazon Office, Philips, Collins Aerospace, L&T Tech Park, MSR Northgate Tech Park, Satwa Tech Park, and 25 plus existing and upcoming tech parks are within a 5 to 15 minute drive from the project. For families, this location is fully sorted. Schools like all within 5 to 20 minutes drive from this project. Healthcare is also very accessible. Retail and lifestyle is right at your doorstep. When your daily ecosystem, education, healthcare, work and leisure is already being established, the value of your address only strengthens. And that's exactly where this project is positioned, right in the heart of North Bangalore growth story. Now let's talk about the project. The project is being developed on a 10-acre land parcel with 814 premium residences across 9 high-rise buildings. The project offers spacious 3 BHK and 4 BHK configurations. 3 BHK homes start at approximately 1600 square feet and go upwards into larger 3.5 BHK layouts around 2100 plus square feet. The 4 BHK units are even more expansive, going up to roughly 2500 square feet. And honestly, for a Godrej project, this kind of frontage and connectivity in North Bangalore is very much positioned at a premium offering. Beyond connectivity and location, let me show you why this project is designed for lifestyle. Inside these 10 acres, they're also developing around 33,000 square feet of high street retail, and that means you'll have branded outlets within the project. There's a 30,000 square feet clubhouse, and what's really interesting is the rooftop swimming pool on the 3rd level, which gives it that premium touch. Specifications are solid: Italian marble in the living and dining, wooden textured tiles in master bedroom, glass balconies, French windows, and soundproof windows. Layouts are practical with no unnecessary dead space. What really makes this project different and stand out is the theme. It's inspired by Dutch architecture, Netherlands-style street. So when you walk inside, especially across the lower levels of the towers, you'll actually see exposed brick-style facades and detailing up to the 2nd or 3rd floor, which is inspired by Dutch architecture. The brick texture and the elevation gives you a very European feel. It doesn't feel like you're residing inside a typical high-rise complex. It feels curated like a Netherlands neighborhood right here in Bangalore. So this is a 3.5 BHK model apartment that comes with 3 bedrooms, 3 toilets, plus a separate servants' quarter that comes with independent access. As you enter, you're welcomed into a spacious L-shaped living and dining area finished with Italian marble flooring. The living room also opens up to a balcony, bringing in great light and ventilation. On the right, you have the guest bedroom with an attached washroom with marble textured tiles and anti-skid flooring with quality fittings. Opposite the dining area is the kitchen with the half-covered utility space designed for practicality. There's another bedroom with a common toilet and finally the master bedroom that comes with a private balcony, wooden textured tiles It also has a smart niche wardrobe space that makes the room look extremely luxurious. Overall, it's a well-planned layout that feels premium and functional. So if you are looking for a home that is on a national highway, walking distance to metro, surrounded by tech parks, backed by a reputed developer, offering theme-based premium product, then this project is for you. This project is definitely worth considering. Reach out to us for a detailed consultation and we will personally help you end-to-end in choosing a good apartment and a good layout in this project. Think property first.